So to make the bed, what we do is we pull out this piece here, which comes across like that, piece of metal, and then this slots into this section here, and that gives you part of the bed. And then for the next part, grab both handles here. Be quite careful with this piece because it's fairly delicate really, but it's plenty strong enough for someone to sleep on. So that pulls out like that, and then you've got your two pieces like that. And then this piece here, which is on the bed, I'm not going to pull it down now, but this pulls down and you can kind of see the shape. Just go straight on top. There is a little slit here for it to sort of lie onto. So that's how you make that bed up. Windows. Push that down, pull that across. So they don't get used very often, so they're quite stiff because they're still new. This is your blind. Blind goes up like that, clips onto that one, so you can either have it as a fly, protect you from flies, or you can have it up going to sleep. That's a blackout blind. Then above me you've got a vent. The vent, there's one of these at the front and one at the back. This is again a similar setup, so that's blackout, that's your fly. Stop any flies getting in if you have got it open. And then to open it, you have to grab the bar, twist it underneath like that, and then slide it forward. So that's how you open and shut that. And it's the same but in reverse to close it. Always drive with them shut because the wind resistance quite a lot. If you're driving along at 70 with these open, it's probably not good for them. So that's how that works. Just going to put this back. So just once again, slide that one back. And then, so to keep it even, you're going to grab it from both sides, slide it in, tucks away like that. This one lifts back off, that goes in, that's your bed put away.